Alright, well folks, welcome to another episode of Rob's West Virginia Bass Fishing. And today I'm at Krodel Park in Point Pleasant, West Virginia. And it's cold out here. It's about 45 degrees, water's 55, but all the other conditions ain't lining up for a good day. So when I've got a jig tied on, you know I don't fish jigs that much because I don't like to fish slow, but got this jig tied on and I'm gonna drag it around on the bottom and see if we can't get something to hit it. There we go. Ha ha! Come on in here, little bass fish. Woohoo! I'm not skunked. Bitsy minnow bailed me out again. It ain't very big, but it ain't a goose egg either. That's a chartreuse blueback, Strike King, Bitsy minnow. Don't you hook me. That was a good one. That was the first cast I made after I had that teeny wee cross still tied on there, and I took it off and put this Bitsy minnow on, and first cast. Decisions. Sometimes catching a fish comes down all to the decisions that you make. This little bitty guy is not very big. He is 9 inches long, but I'll take 9 inches over a 0 any day. So there he goes back. Oh yeah! There's fish number 2. That's a decent little bluegill. Man, he clobbered that little thing. Bitsy minnow strikes again. Come on, don't hook me now. Okay, so he got it by both hooks. This is shaping up to be a pretty good day, better than I expected with the post-front conditions. Not a bad little bluegill. Not exactly sure how big it is. Dropped him. 6 1/4 inches. That's game turned loose now. I'd catch that little bass that jumped off a few minutes ago. And there he goes. There we go. Got it that time.
That's a nice one. Here we go.
Oh my goodness. Dude, this is a good one. Come on in here. Oh yeah. I'm not playing with this one, but these KVD trebles will get it done. Look at there. That saved my video. Oh, my biggest fish of the year so far. Oh, man, look, barely. He's got it with one treble.
Oh man.
I shouldn't have caught that fish. Look at that, folks. Chartreuse blackback, Strike King KVD 1.5 with the Mustad KVD Elite trebles. And look, barely had it. And don't even need pliers, it just fell out. That's why you gotta keep the pressure on them. All right, now.
Measure that for me.
I'm going to.
That's 15 inches or so.
Yeah,
I had him over
it's
there.
about 15.
I had him over, I know I did.
I'm thinking about 15 inches.
Yep.
It's 14 3/8. Oh yeah. £1 pound, 6 ounces. All right, let's turn this dude loose. Whoa, I'm gonna fall in the lake. Oh, there he goes back. Oh, well, folks, I think I'm going to call it a day. It's been a slow day. It's been a grind here at Krodel Lake, but I managed to catch a few fish. Started fishing around 11 o'clock, and it's 5 o'clock in the evening now. First couple fish I caught a little 9-10 inch bass and a 6-inch bluegill on this chartreuse blueback Strike King Bitsy minnow crankbait, and fishing on my Lose Xfinity combo, 6.5 foot medium action, spooled with 8 pound test vicious fluorocarbon, and then I caught that last one, that nice 14 incher. It weighed 1.6 on this chartreuse blackback KVD 1.5 made by Strike King. And as you can see, it's got the Mustad KVD Elite trebles on it, and had I not put them bigger hooks on it, that fish would have completely missed that bait because it just barely had stuck in the end of the snout. And I was fishing it on my Lose Mark Rose Signature Series combo. It's a 6.5 foot medium heavy action, and it's got 20 pound test vicious fluorocarbon on it. And with the day I had with these tough conditions, you know, I did a lot of dragging a jig around today too, but I couldn't get anything to eat the jig, but they ate some crankbaits today. So like I said, I've been out here for about 6 hours now fishing, and I'm gonna head home and get something to eat. But I hope y'all like this video, and if you're new to the channel, I'd appreciate it if you'd like it. Give the video a like, and maybe subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and let me know what you think about it. And I'll try to get out and get another video done soon. And thank everybody for watching.